In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blocks in AutoCAD. Blocks are a powerful way to turn multiple objects into a single reusable element. So you can keep your drawings clean, consistent, and easy to edit. With AutoCAD open, start by drawing the geometry you want to become a block. This could be a door symbol, a chair, a title mark, anything composed of lines, arcs, or shapes. Make sure the objects are complete and look exactly the way you want them to appear when reused. It's a good idea to keep related items on the intended layers now, because a block will preserve those layer settings inside it. Next, open the block command. The fastest way is to type block, or simply B, in the command line and press enter. This opens the block definition dialog, where you'll define how your block behaves. Begin by giving your block a clear specific name, like door or chair. Descriptive names make it much easier to find and insert the right block later. Now set the base point. Click Pick Point. Then click in the drawing to choose the insertion point you'll use to place the block in the future. Choose a logical, repeatable spot such as a door hinge location or the center of a chair. Use object snaps like endpoint or midpoint to be precise, so the block aligns perfectly when you insert it elsewhere. Next, select the geometry for the block. Click Select Objects, highlight all the items that belong in the block, and press Enter. Take a moment to confirm you've included everything you need and nothing extra. If you miss something, click Select Objects again and add it. Under Behavior, make sure Convert to Block is selected. This tells AutoCAD to replace the individual objects with a single block reference right away, which makes moving, copying, and editing as one unit much simpler. When everything looks good, click OK to create the block. Back in your drawing, select it to confirm it now acts as one object. You'll notice grips at the base point and along the geometry, and you can move or copy it just like any other object. From here on, you can insert this block wherever you need it in your project, keeping your workflow efficient and your drawings consistent. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.